Guys, right now we are in the STH Sutherland. It's in Jamaica, and this project we put around 500 kilowatt PV panels and 1.2 megawatt hour battery. And here is the roof, and you can see the roof. There are two parts. One part is like on the left, and also there is another side on the left. This is a standard steel roof, and here is another roof. We already finished the first part of this, and the second part we are going to finish in a few months, in next month I believe. And you can go closer. Let's have a deep look about this construction. You can see here is the rails. We put this nail, we put this bolt to connect with the pulling of the roof, and then we connect with this holder and get the rails. And rail connected here, inside it connected here. And also after that we will put the PV panels. PV panels is like here, in the middle clamp, and that will be side clamp. And we have a little bit space. We have some space under the PV panels for us to cable the cabling easier. Put the cable there, and also for the future maintenance. And right now we also put all the cable in the cable trays. The cable trays we put it here, and all the PV strings will go down to the ground floor and put them in the PV combined box. Then it will go to the inverters. So later we will show you about the conditioner, the container, and you will see the battery and also inverter. Behind me is the BESS container. Inside it is 1.2 megawatt hour and 300 kilowatt inverter. Let's go deep, have a look. In this cabinet there are 6 battery clusters, 3 here, and also there in the back there are another 3. And on the bottom this is the highway box, and those cables will go, this high voltage DC current will go to inverter as a battery input. And in this cabinet also we have the 6 unit of the air conditioner, maybe 8, and here you can see 6. And also inside there is a fire extinguisher system, and also the sensor of the smoke, sensor of the temperature, and also the light, and also there is a camera there. Another side also there is the same sensor of the temperature and the smoke, and also the extinguisher, the releaser that is over there. And we are going to turn on this system in the afternoon. And let's go have a look at this side. This side is the inverter cabinet. We put a 6 inverter inside. We can enter this room here. Right now you can see we have inverter number 4, inverter number 3, and inside we have another 4 inverters here. Inverter number 5, 6, and also inverter number 1 and number 2. And this will be the master inverter, and all the cables already connected. And this is the auxiliary power supply here for the fans, air conditioner, for the light, and for the communication, the rotor, and the fire extinguisher system as well. And here we are going to put the Wi-Fi hotspot here, and to show how to connect those inverter with the cloud. And this is a extinguisher manual control panel. It's a rotor, and also you can see there is a spray, there is a releaser here, and also the sensor, and also there is the camera here. And back to here you can see we have 2 cabinets. This one is the cabinet that we are going to connect with the grid. The grid will go this side, and there will be 6 breakers will go to inverter output input as connected with the grid. And also the system will supply the power through this cabinet to grid. And this cabinet is for the load. And the 6 inverter, they have the UPS load. They have backup interface. They can output here, and this they will combine together here. We didn't connect any load here yet, but this part, if you connect some load, when the grid is off, the inverter will still work and provide the power for this UPS load. This is for some emergency power supply. This is like optional for the future. This is a 2 cabinet we put in front of the container, and it's very good for you to do this kind of the cable connecting here. You can see we put all the cable trays here, and they are good connected. And this is how this system we are doing here.